Alright, here we go. Welcome to my channel. Here's your boy, Forex Noipi. And today, mga kanoipi, we're going to do something different. I am creating this video to start an episode type series. Okay? Bali, ang gagawin natin, mga kanoipi, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo ang isang trading journey that I wanted to do for everybody's educational purposes. So, gumawa ako ng bagong account. Same yung broker ko is IC Markets, but yung original account ko sa kanila, bale, nag-split ako ng isa pang account and deposited $1,000 for the purpose of showing you guys how I trade real money on my Forex account, right? So, ang goal natin dito is to be able to measure how many trades I take in a day and do my wins and my losses and how long would it take for me to at least double my account, right? So here, this is the trade account that I'm using. I initially deposited $1,000 in there. Tapos, tingnan natin, right? This is real talk, reality check. Kaya ba talagang akong bigyan ng magandang income ng Forex? Dito natin malalaman ng lahat. Okay? So, it's a Saturday today, so the markets are closed. But I wanted to take this time to show you that this is the start of a trading journey. Our goal, initial goal, is to make this $1,000 into $2,000, and how long will it take for me to get there, right? In between these videos, syempre I'll still create content para mapakita ko sa inyo, or pag may questions kayo at meron kayong gustong matutunan sa pagte-trade, comment down below or go to our page in Forex for Beginners PHI, and join na kayo dyan sa group na yan and post a question if you have any, para masagot natin through a form of video, so that a lot of the individuals that are not joined in this group and that is subscribed to my channel would be able to see and also learn, benefit from the answers to your questions. Okay? So mga kanoipi, before we end, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and share the love. Okay? That's it for now, mga kanoipi. Watch out for the succeeding videos. Goodbye for now.